let's just unpack all news galo for days. Oh my gosh, like ihlaze zikhona indaba. Hayibo guys, indaba ka Manzini, ugogo Manzini. Kubuye kuthiwa uyaphila, kubuye kuthiwa akasekho, kubuye kuthiwa hayibo, like what's going on there? And then scammer of the scammer of the scamist of the scammers. I'm just like, oh, okay, guys, it's a lot. But you know what's crazy though about that? About 2 weeks ago, when a video will pop up on your phone, and then umanzini uvele uyaqhamuka, and ngenye indlela nje angazi kanjani, I just pressed on that video, and then she started saying stuff like useyitholile yakhe imali, and in 2 days, so people can ngathi what? Hayi ngeke ubugebengu of phoqololo lobu ngeke. Wathi useyitholile imali yakhe, so you can actually now ufake imali yakho abanye bazoyithola futhi in 2 days. I think that's the story. That is why bethi une pyramid scheme usisi. Yeah. Une triple M of some sort going on, and those things, they never work. Guys, lalela, I've always been vocal here on this channel about money and about how some of us usibona sino 9 to 5 sithengisa ama-products so inuka sithengisa imigalelo, which is, by the way, in network marketing is not a pyramid scheme. Lapho kuyasetshenziswa ke on a serious note, almost like YouTube, umsebenzi wakhona is a lot. And then in 6 years, when you are fine and you're earning a lot on network marketing, unenyoka phela masu uso right. I was talking about YouTube the other day, ngikhuluma nje no someone who has stayed ukuthi, and looking at YouTube channels zase-US, umuntu uthola ukuthi has been on YouTube for 9 years. I'm just like, bese kuthina kuba lot for 9 years, and they're earning a lot of money because it's consistent. You put in every day. You don't just wake up. So Manzini bebephila impilo ka 3 minutes. Beqola abantu basically benza uphoqololo. Scamming people. Like, what's up with that? Like ukuyibona le nto le. I was still saying, guys, ukuthi akusetshenzwe. It's not easy. Nothing comes easy. And I mean, I've always been vocal ukuthi I have to work. I have 2 children futhi e-university, man. Oh, qala nje. My own biological one. Mase kuzoba okasisi wami. Usisi wami passed on in 2014 at 28. So you can imagine leaving us with 2 children. Enye iku grade 12 manje. Yeah, is in a 6 at the time. So uyabona ukuthi fanele besebenzeni, and you can't have one income stream. It's impossible. Like, how do you even think that's gonna sustain you, angazi? You have to have a lot of income streams. Not just 1, not just 2, not just 3, not just 4. Hence the 4 channels la. And nazo lo ma 4 channels on YouTube I've been, oh my gosh, khona nje eno 3 years. Kodwa ngaze ngihole ngisho sentele imnyama. I'm just like, oh, yazi YouTube is a lot of work. Ubuya ntambama ulala ngo-10-11 ubhizi namavideo. Okay, wabona. So by the way, guys, please ngiyanicela guys, check my other channel, what's the tea. Siyahlaziya sometimes nginokuyifaka la ukuyibona leyo nto. So niyibheke nayo. Hey guys, lalela. Kuyasetshenzwa la emhlabeni. Mina uzungibona ngina 4 YouTube channels. I was listening to this YouTuber ngo-2023. Ethi una 20 YouTube channels, 16 are paying. I was like, oh, okay. There's nothing like that. Then when you don't have a life, basically. Awuphumi nasendlini phela ngoba fanele ukuthi lo 16 YouTube channels akhokhele in the US. That got me. I was just like, namanje lo 4 wami, I'm like umdlalo, but I'm like, when I'm done, actually, I'm just waiting for 1 channel that I'm gonna open before October. That's gonna be talking about just business only. After this, I'm done. The 5 is enough for me. That can carry me through until you know. So nje guys, yabona njena masusudume usungasekho emhlabeni njoba abanye bethu khona. Udume ngokuskema abantu. Those are crazy things. And sebethi manje no owami umngane akho involved wamnikeza 16,000 in the knife futhi loyo she comes la ekhalisa ethi bamthathela into zakhe kanti she was trying to scam ama ninja akhe. Ngathi listen guys, lokho akushiwo ngofuthi mina. Please, angisi ngantshela ukuthi kwashiwo somewhere. There's some construction going on here, guys. Ningixolele kakhulu. I really apologize for that. How? The next thing, but naye usisi owami umngane Sisters, bengasibe ama-BFFs, like bosom friends, like for real. Not into ukudlala ngoba now she says in her video she was there, they at the morgue, she saw her. I'm just like, sis, now are you family? Things like why would you want to see your friend, guys? Eselele morgue, please. Why? And sekuthiwa manje mhlambe naye bamthumele ukuthi akhulume nathi kodwa ugogo Manzini uzifihlile uyaphila abantu bafuna imali lapho. And apparently even Hawks are onto her. I'm just like, guys, ufike nini lapho? You were on YouTube. You should have just used your YouTube channel actually to do other things. Those who I mean, I'm getting A1. It's just gonna deal with business. All my business is basically my clothing business, my travels basically are gonna be there as well. What I bought and we go on to like, because my other one, that's my personal one, is normally like your family, everything you do every day or every week, you know. That's the one that I'm saying. It's actually has taken me 3 years. I cook to this day. So uyabona ukuthi ezinye izinto ovela uvuke nje, guys. Yabona into imali emlilo wamaphepha. Actually, that's what I wanted to say. Once you find in 10 years ubhizinisi YouTube sekuthiwa no unenyoka. Inenyoka kanjani manje? Muzohola 500,000 in YouTube a month for that matter. Phela US bayithola lo mali. I mean, I'm just making an example ukuthi ibona actually abalapho by now. Ngoba baqala ngo-2011. Thina singacabanga YouTube. So manje usuyathakatha nenyoka, but you forget ukuthi YouTube it's an everyday thing. Like us, when I have 2 YouTube channels as a news, I have to put in every day, all day. So in 10 years time on the channel I'm earning, let's say 150,000. So saying actually in 10 years time saying and I'm claiming 200,000, let's just say. Ngiyathakatha. Ngivuke nini manje ngathakatha ukuthi I've been consistent for 10 years. So uyabona, guys, so azazi into zikaManzini bakaziwe namanje uyaphila or akasekho, and nakhona how do you fake that, guys, ngoba at some stage you're gonna have to come back. Then it must happen now. Vuka kwabafile then basically uphila wena inganekwane in the old day, nama-tales all make believe bakudala, you know. So kuthiwa nje please wami akasiyeke lama crocodile tears akhe are not going to help us. Umngani wakhe just like, guys, nani niwese, like, I mean, I was on the floor literally. So Owamige went on to say, no, I was with her family, she is gone, my friend is gone, and my friend was good to me, and into yabo very involved with she did so many things for me, I'm just like, and I'm like, wow. Untando Mdletshe-ke uthe ama-small YouTubers ayathanda ukuba busy ema-commentini nabantu ne. I just want to tell you a story around that ne. Ama-comments ama-big YouTubers, I don't do that, for example. So she was just saying ukuthi yindaba unga-concentrate elifini yakho and be busy with your things instead of consuming other people's things as a YouTuber, as a small YouTuber like me, for example. So mina, I took something from that ngoba normally ngiyamlalela, I like Ntando in any case. So I was just like, she is right. It's the same as me not having a TikTok, and people are always like, how nice TikTok? I'm like, why would I have something that doesn't pay me? TikTok doesn't pay, guys. Unless you have a brand, TikTok will never pay you. In South Africa, we know that. But you are always consuming TikTok. I'm just like, why would I do that to myself? I don't have the time. I should be making videos. So you're saying the same thing today. People should be making videos. But you concentrate again. A small YouTubers, my comments are members on bed. Because after she made Owami's video, she's like, you should be making the same video. And that's my thing as well. I was just like, I'm done. Even my family members and friends are like, oh no, TikTok. I'm like, so for? Like, who would I have TikTok? Guys, in TikTok in my life. Please explain to me, because I can cook, but I can cook. Even on my personal channel, I cook there. So why would I be recipe TikTok? Where do I even find the time? Consume and sleep on TikTok. That's my thing. Only now, after the communications, so that the communications minister said we are going to be paid. He spoke for us in Davos in Switzerland. He was like, I'm a piano nina in the world and was a lap. South Africans, which are 17 million on TikTok. More compared than other African countries, we are the best. And then I was like, what? Let me go. And I had to download it 3 times and delete it. Manje ki download ile angaka bhali into zami. Angaka edit my things to say this is me. Ngiyacela accept abantu ku TikTok because ngibuye ngabona ngathi yazi bazokwenza njani ku TikTok mase beqala bekho bazokhokha on the day. For the day you start. Not mhlambe ukuthi waqala 3 years ago ku TikTok. No, bazokhokhela from today. When they start to tell us today, we say, okay, we are paying now, South Africans, then they will pay on the day. So it's just like, went to TikTok because TikTok is not going to help me. But I guess at the end of the day, it's going to help me in the sense that I will advertise my businesses, I will do other things there, like my shorts that I normally do, small things like that. But I don't need TikTok like today. I don't need TikTok. That's how it is. So I get where she's coming from, you know. I support her all the way. Since umuntu, can you just concentrate on your stuff and stuff ohamba ungena ama YouTube channels and phela nami baba busy nami what's the tea ngabachazela ukuthi no, you can't do that. Ufike kuma comments abantu wena nje you live your life kuba ixoxo hamba ugivana nabantu kuma comments. You can't live your life like that as a person nje. When you live your life of feeling better ufuna ukuba ngcono uhamba utshelana nabantu who they are without their consent on their YouTube channels. Those are crazy things. And I had said, guys, ukuthi man uma ufuna ukuvula a YouTube channel, ufuna ukuthi ngik-advertisele for free for a month, I will do it. I really, really don't mind. How do you think I get ahead mina on YouTube? Because I advertise myself. And I'm gonna need TikTok now to advertise myself more. TikTok, I didn't get it. So seriously, lapho guys.